I better get out of the way before someone runs me over. Hey, it's day 5 of my journey trying to paint 100 paintings before the Lititz craft show on August 8th. Today I'm taking you to a very old place right here in Lititz. Let's go check it out. It's a surprise. So where I'm standing right here is the Ephrata to Warwick rail trail. Let me show you here. Hold on. Yeah, this used to be a railway, and so I paved it over, and now it turns into a bike and jogging path that goes from our town, Lititz, right over to Ephrata. I'm standing in this 140-year-old secret right outside my town, right outside of Lititz. We're gonna paint this. Let me show you. This covered bridge was built in the summer of 1887 by John Bowman for $1,744.